and Warren. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harnett County, southern Wake County, northwestern Johnston County until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cary to Fuquay-Varina to near Lillington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Fuquay-Varina, Clayton, Angier, Apex, Holly Springs, Knightdale, and Lake Wheeler. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Johnston, and Wake. A severe thunderstorm